OnePlus fans have something exciting to look forward to as the OnePlus Open 2, the brand's second-generation foldable, is on the horizon. Recently leaked renders of the device provide a first look at its design, revealing notable refinements and upgrades over its predecessor, the OnePlus Open, which debuted in October 2023. The OnePlus Open 2 is reported to get an updated design with curved edges, slightly bigger displays, and better ergonomics. Another notable design upgrade is the expected IPX8 water resistance, a step up from the IPX4 rating of its predecessor. The phone features an 8-inch 2K LTPO AMOLED inner screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 6.4-inch AMOLED outer display. OnePlus Open 2 powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. The rear camera features a triple rear camera setup, 50-megapixel main sensors, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. For selfies, a dual camera setup with 32MP and 20MP sensors is anticipated. Battery capacity is poised to increase to 5,900 mAh with 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. The OnePlus Open 2 will, as we anticipated, be a rebranded Oppo Find N5, which is due to launch in China early next year. The Open 2 will be released in late Q1, so sometime in March 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.